So I will use this for good count question mark save other result flow level, and this one will be for new number. Now here we will say don't register, then link, click, or say create now. Yeah, it says create now. Create now. Save. Save. Come here. Refresh. See, but we are making a little space from here. Yeah, everything is cool. So I wanted to give some space between the button and forget. So for that one, I can simply use just like, you know, non-break space, something like this. Then copy and paste some 3 and refresh. Yeah, that's cool. If I click over here, it displays nothing. Next to this one, we will create the footer. Okay, next to this one, let's leave the div container and create. We have a line here, so we need to use some hr, then style, then border color, let's say FE, yeah, something like this. Save and come here to refresh. We click here, refresh. See, it's here. It's here. So, but in case of this one is almost same. So we need to have at the bottom div class, let's say container full, div class container. You know, for container, it is better if we use navbar. So we will use inside for this one navbar expandable in case of SM, navbar dark, bg also dark. Then what's left? If we need from the top to put down, margin top in case of the small, or in case of if we use a small, it will do for the big one also. Then top SM3. So here div class container. Then here we will put some paragraph, something like copy copy 2019 PHP form validation. So here copy 2019, let's say PHP form validation. Then next to this one we have another thing, which is level. Let's say level. Let's put here level. Give class for pull LG to the left, and design by something like this.